If you're a natural out there and you have people that are like,
oh my god, you're so pretty, let me straighten it. Oh my god, it looks so good, pretty.
like, please comment or like, just let me know if you get that too, because it's like really annoying. We're just gonna get into it. So I'm just gonna separate my hair down the middle. I'm not really caring about the part that much. Just gonna separate it out here. Just gonna comb this out. My Alicia Leatherwood brush. Hair still looks good. You could definitely keep it straight. I could keep it straight for a little while longer, but I'm not. So we went from straight to curly. Ooh, when the girls come back. Ooh, when your girls come back. Oh, that is so nice. I love it. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today we are going back to curly. So I have had my hair straight for about 3 weeks-ish. No, tomorrow will be 4 weeks. Tomorrow will be 1 month. I've had my hair straight and I'm over it. I'd like my curls back. So we are going to be going from straight to curly. So if you are into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday, but back to the scheduled program. So we're gonna go to curly. I'm over it and let's just get into it. I've never done this outside of the shower before. Like low porosity girl over here, you know, doing things in the shower regarding my hair just makes things a lot easier. It just makes life a lot easier. Well, it helps me through. So we're gonna try it outside the shower. Have my Alicia Leatherwood brush and warm water, and I am using a protein deep conditioner because obviously when you straighten your hair, you're breaking down the protein. So I do a protein treatment before I straighten my hair and after I straighten my hair, same as when I do a protective style. So this will help strengthen my hair, and I love Niche Beauty, so we're just gonna get into it. And their conditioner smells amazing. So I have a full Niche Beauty video review. I will link it up here. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it. So I'm just gonna separate my hair down the middle. I'm not really caring about the part that much. Just gonna separate it out here. And we're just gonna work on this section right here. So I'm just gonna comb this out with my Alicia Leatherwood brush. Hair still looks good. You could definitely keep it straight. I could keep it straight for a little while longer, but I'm not because I don't want to. So I'm just gonna section it off and clip this part out the way. So I'm just gonna wet it and hopefully my curls go back because I haven't straightened my hair in like, I want to say 4 or 5 years. And the person who did my hair is not the normal person who does my hair. So it was a little, rough for me to trust somebody else, but I didn't want to go all the way to LA. Normally, I live in San Diego and I normally go all the way to LA. LA area, LA County, to get my hair done, professionally at least. And I didn't want to do that. So I was like, the girl that normally braids my hair, she's been wanting to straighten my hair. If you're a natural out there and you have people that are like, oh my god, your hair's so pretty, let me straighten it. Oh my god, it looks so good, pretty. Like, please comment or like, just let me know if you get that too, because it's like really annoying. But she's been wanting to do it. I've seen her results on other people. So I was like, okay, that's cool. We'll try it. And it worked out. So it looked good. So it's just hope my hair comes back. See, it's starting to come back. The ends are not. Hold on now. There they go. They're coming. They coming through. little warm water. Just gonna put some product on it now. See, the ends are still straggling a little bit, but my hair is coming back. I'm gonna put some product on it. Just gonna use some of the deep conditioner. And I'm gonna let this deep conditioner sit for a while because one, I ain't got nothing to do today. No work today, so first reason. But it's coming back. They're coming back slowly but surely. Let's see if these ends come back. There we go. Just gotta work with them right quick. Gotta work with them right quick. Wow, it came back a lot faster than I thought it would because I thought it was gonna take a while. But look at them girls coming back to life. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Nothing like a good cut though, for sure. Having some problems. That's okay, it's only one little part. Curls are back. Yeah. So I'm just gonna twist this out the way. I'm just gonna comb it through right quick. Ooh, hair feels so good. I'm just gonna twist this out the way. When was the last time you straightened your hair? Do you like your hair straight? I like my hair straight, but it's kind of just like it's cute for like a good week. And then I'm like, okay, I would like my curls back. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. So that's one. I'm gonna do it in the same sections that like I normally would be deep conditioning my hair. So three sections on each side. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue this throughout the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna put some, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna continue this throughout the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna put some water, warm water. And then I'm going to put some deep conditioner on, comb it out, and then let it do its thing. I know a lot of naturals get nervous. Like I've never had heat damage, like knock on wood, I've never had heat damage. Oh yes. And it's curling back, perfect. I've never had heat damage, which is great. Knock on wood. This ain't real wood, so I can't knock on it. But I've never had heat damage, but I'm so scared. Like once you fall in love with your curls, like heat damage is not it, okay? Heat damage is not it, okay? See, it's coming back, it's coming back. So the roots are definitely coming back faster than the ends. Like I wonder if that's because it's the oldest part of your hair. It takes forever. It takes more TLC, you know? Get the roots. Yeah, so the roots are definitely coming back quick. The ends, not so much. It looks like I have heat damage right now. That's what that looks like, but no, okay? I refuse. So I do plan on having like multiple deep, doing multiple deep conditions this week specifically. I just feel like because my hair in the last month hasn't had any like intense moisture because I haven't wet it, obviously, that it needs it. So I'm going to ensure that it gets it. So I'm gonna do some protein today. I have my own like moisturizing deep conditioner that I'm gonna do in a couple of days. Yes, look at them curls coming on back. Yeah. When it on my, oh my God, look at that. It looks so good. Definitely needed a trim. So I do, yeah, like I was saying, I do plan on, sorry, randomly saying all the time. I do plan on doing multiple deep conditioning treatments just because I want to make sure I get like enough moisture. And this year is the year of growth, which I said in my last video, my length check video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it somewhere. But this year I'm focused on growth. So if a style is not contributing to my growth It's got to go, okay? Gone. Ooh, look at them girls coming back. Ooh, they're coming back to life. Yeah, they're coming back to life. Alright, twist this out the way. This is going way faster than I thought it would. Like I definitely thought that this was going to take a long time because I'm so used to doing this in the shower. My hair is like even just stretched, I for sure am like, let me get in the shower and just let water hit it. Like water is the key, okay? Water is the key. All 2020, if you're worried about your hair, make sure you put water on it. It's gonna be fine, okay? Water. You need to drink water. You need to put water on your hair. Soak your head. If my hair reverts, I might go back to her. She's really good, actually. She's good at braiding. She did my faux locks, which were amazing. And she's like one of the only natural hair stylists that I know in San Diego. I've been to a few people out here and they're always like, you have so much hair. You need to, why don't you get a relaxer? Like, you need to do this. Or they look at my hair and they're just like, oh, well, that's gonna cost you $400. Like, bruh, to straighten my hair though, like, relax, okay? You're doing the most. Yeah, look at, ooh, that's gonna be my new theme song right now. Ooh, when the girls come back, ooh. Ooh, when the girls come back. You know how like Jackie Anna has her theme song? That's gonna be my theme song. Ooh, when the girls come back, ooh, when the girls come back, come on back. I'm so excited. I always have a looser texture right here at the front, which if you've been following my videos, you know. Again, that might be a goal, 2020, trying to get that together, but oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. So good. Yeah, I'm so happy. I am really happy I got a cut just because like I really did need one, and whenever you get a good cut and then you do your hair after, like, it's just amazing. It's amazing, you know? Alright, so this is the first side, clearly, as you can see. Let's just take these bad boys down so you can see everything here. Oh, that cut did me wonders, okay? Did me wonders. Lord, this cut did me wonders. So we went from straight to curly. Ha ha ha. Ooh, when the girls come back. Ooh, when your girls come back. Ooh, when your girls come back. Come on back. Oh, that is so nice. I love it. Okay, so I am going to put on some music, vibe out with me. I'm just going to do the other side, and then I will be back to show you my full head of deep conditioned hair. Just stay tuned because I'll be back and my hair will be completely curly. So I will see you in a few. I am back. I decided to twist it up because that's how I deep condition my hair. And the curls are back, loves. The curls are back. So I am, ooh, when the girls come back, ooh, when the girls come back, Okay, seriously, my curls are back. Really excited about it. So happy to have my curls back. Oh, I'm curls back. I'm gonna deep condition my hair. I'm gonna leave this on probably like all day just because I just feel like I really need some good deep conditioning. You know, really need some protein, some good deep conditioning, get these curls real popping. I was just going to do I'm just gonna pull my hair back in a ponytail and like leave it alone for the week and then do like a wash and go later. But I might do a wash and go just because I want to see what my hair looks like. But I'm not sure yet. We'll see how the day progresses. But thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.